Which AI is truly the best? Which AI chatbot is the ultimate champion for coding tasks? Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence to compare three of the biggest names: Google Gemini, Meta's Llama, and OpenAI's ChatGPT. It's a showdown you don't want to miss. Who will come out on top? Let's find out together. The world of AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. From smart assistants that help us with daily tasks to complex algorithms that drive businesses, AI is everywhere. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to decide which one is the best for you. Let's explore the power and weakness of Google Gemini, Meta Llama, and OpenAI ChatGPT, looking at their capabilities, real-world applications, and more. How do they compare? Each of these AIs has unique applications. Google Gemini excels in data analysis, making it perfect for businesses needing detailed insights. Meta Llama shines in social media, understanding trends and user interactions, which helps companies engage with their audience better. OpenAI ChatGPT is ideal for customer service and conversational interfaces, providing natural and engaging interactions. Writing a WordPress plugin. Creating a WordPress plugin is a wonderful way to test the real-world capabilities of AI. It involves basic web development, typically using PHP, and requires some user interface (UI) work. This test can demonstrate whether an AI is simply generating code or if it understands how to create functional, user-friendly tools. Meta AI. When tested on writing a WordPress plugin, Meta AI generated an interface which seemed promising at first. However, it quickly became clear that it fell flat on functionality. The interface it produced was plagued by the infamous white screen of death, a term familiar to WordPress developers, indicating a serious error that prevents any content from displaying. This issue rendered the plugin useless, highlighting Meta AI's struggles with practical application and robustness in web development tasks. Google Gemini. Google Gemini performed slightly better in this test. It managed to create an interface that was more coherent and visually appealing compared to Meta AI. However, Gemini still failed to make the plugin function properly. The plugin did not perform the intended actions, indicating that while the AI could handle UI design to some extent, it lacked the necessary coding accuracy and integration to make the plugin fully operational. OpenAI ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT, on the other hand, truly shined in this test. It not only created a clean and well-organized interface, but also ensured it worked flawlessly. ChatGPT took in a set of names and randomized them perfectly, demonstrating a comprehensive understanding of both the user interface and the back-end logic required for a functional WordPress plugin. This performance showcased ChatGPT's superior ability to handle complex coding tasks efficiently and accurately. Rewriting a string function. Rewriting a string function is another critical test for AI, as it involves updating a utility function to improve performance and accuracy. This test can reveal an AI's attention to detail and ability to handle nuanced programming tasks. Meta AI. Meta AI struggled significantly in this test. It made unnecessary changes to the function, failing to handle simple inputs like $5 or 5.2 correctly. This failure was particularly disappointing because handling currency formatting is a basic task for any programming tool. Meta AI's inability to manage these inputs correctly highlighted its limitations in understanding and executing precise programming tasks. Metacode Llama. Interestingly, Metacode Llama succeeded in this task. It managed to update the string function correctly, showing that even within the same company, AI tools can vary greatly in their capabilities and performance. This success indicated that Metacode Llama had a better grasp of basic utility functions compared to Meta AI. Google Gemini. Unfortunately, Google Gemini also failed this test. It struggled with the same issues as Meta AI, making it clear that Gemini, too, had difficulty with the nuances of programming logic required to update the string function accurately. OpenAI ChatGPT. Once again, OpenAI ChatGPT passed this test with flying colors. It correctly updated the string function without introducing errors, demonstrating its proficiency in handling detailed programming tasks. ChatGPT's ability to manage such tasks accurately reinforced its status as a reliable and precise coding assistant. Debugging. Debugging is a critical skill for any programmer, and it's a valuable test for AI as well. This test involves identifying and fixing errors in pre-existing code, requiring deep knowledge of the programming environment and the ability to avoid obvious but incorrect answers. Meta AI. Surprisingly, Meta AI nailed this test. It identified the error correctly and even suggested improvements that enhanced the code's efficiency. This performance was unexpected given its earlier failures, showing that Meta AI could indeed handle more complex tasks when it had sufficient context and depth of knowledge. Metacode Llama. Metacode Llama, however, failed this test, underscoring the inconsistency within Meta's AI tools. While it succeeded in rewriting the string function, it could not effectively debug the code, suggesting that its capabilities were more limited in scope. Google Gemini. Google Gemini also failed to find the correct bug. This result highlighted a significant gap in its debugging capabilities and understanding of the intricacies involved in fixing pre-existing code. OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT succeeded in this challenge, proving its comprehensive understanding of WordPress and debugging. It not only identified the error, but also provided a clear, actionable solution, showcasing its robust debugging skills and reliability in resolving complex coding issues. Writing a script. Writing a script is a challenging test that requires knowledge of specialized tools like Keyboard Maestro, AppleScript, and Chrome scripting behavior. These tools are not widely known, so this test can reveal the AI's breadth of knowledge and adaptability. Meta AI. Meta AI did not retrieve data from Keyboard Maestro as instructed, indicating a lack of knowledge about this powerful scripting tool. This failure highlighted its limitations in handling less common programming environments and tools. Metacode Llama. Metacode Llama also failed in the same way as Meta AI, suggesting that both of these AI tools from Meta struggle with more obscure scripting tasks and tools. Google Gemini. Google Gemini showed promise by correctly retrieving data from Keyboard Maestro, indicating that it had some knowledge of this specialized tool. However, its overall performance still fell short compared to the more comprehensive capabilities demonstrated by ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT excelled in this test as well. It demonstrated wide-ranging scripting knowledge, handling Keyboard Maestro, AppleScript, and Chrome scripting behavior with ease. ChatGPT's ability to navigate and utilize these specialized tools effectively underscored its versatility and depth of coding expertise. Performance comparison. When comparing the overall performance across these 4 tests, it becomes evident which AI stands out. Meta AI succeeded in 1 out of 4 tests. Metacode Llama also succeeded in only 1 out of 4 tests. Similarly, Google Gemini managed to succeed in 1 out of 4 tests. In stark contrast, OpenAI ChatGPT excelled by succeeding in all 4 out of 4 tests. The consistent success of OpenAI ChatGPT in all tests demonstrates its superior capabilities and reliability as a coding assistant. Whether creating plugins, rewriting functions, debugging, or scripting, ChatGPT proved to be the most effective and trustworthy AI among the contenders. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or just curious about AI, there's something here for everyone. Which AI impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content.